Now, today our topic is continuous probability distribution. We use example. Questions is given. Let x be a continuous random variable with the probability density functions. PDF is a short word. F of x equal to kx square if 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 2. It means the value of x is 0 to 2. Then we use this. Otherwise, f of x equal to 0. Task 1. Find the value of k. You saw that f of x is a valid PDF. Second point, find the mean expected value Ex. Third, find the variance. So now, if f of x equal to kx square, then we use the values 0 to 2. If other value we use, then f of x equal to 0. Now we are going on calculations on solution. Solution 1. Find k using total probability. A PDF must satisfy integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx equal to 1. Since f of x equal to 0 outside 0, comma 2, this interval is given in your questions. Compute 0 to 2 integration a f of x square, because f of x equal to kx square is given your questions, and 0 to 2 the value of x 0 to 2 is given. We write in integration form and dx according to this formula. You can see here equal to 1. Now you can see here we have write k, because k is a constant number. We write k in a separate 0 to 2x square dx. Now we integrate with respect to x. X square integrate x3 upon 3. Now k is given k. This limit, which means 0 to 2, we write here 0 to 2 equal to 1. You must be remember what is the rules of solution integrations. First you put these values x equal to 2, it means 2 power 3, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and here is given divide by 3. Here is no any x, then we don't write any numbers, equal to 1. If we put 0, then all elements will be 0. Now 8 upon 3 equal to 1. Now we will find the value of k. You must now this 3 multiply by 1 and this 8 divide by this number. Now k equal to 3 upon 8. We get, so k equal to 3 upon 8. Point 2. Find the mean Ex. Ex equal to 0 to 2x multiplications f of x dx. This is the formula of mean. Now 0 to 2 is given values of x in our questions. Now x you write here, f of x. F of x you know what is the functions kx square. Now we put the value of k, x square you write same. Now here is given 2x, one x square and second x. Then x power 2 and x power 1. We add both x power 3. Now 3 upon 8, this is a number you can write here 3 upon 8. Then integration 0 to 2 we write here, and x power 2 plus 1x power 3 dx. 3 upon 8 we write here. Now we integrate x power 3, integration of with respect to x, it means x power 4 divided by 4, and lower limit and upper limit you write here. After this we put in the value of x. First you put x2. Now 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 you write here, and divide by 4 you write here, and second point is 0 minus 0, all elements will be 0. So don't write, but you can write steps of solution. Now this point is show multiplications. If any numbers are cancelled, then you can cancel, otherwise you can write same. You can here 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. It means 3 upon 8 you write here, and here is given 4, then we write here multiplied by 4. After this simplification you can multiply and divide, we get 1.5. So Ex equal to 1.5. Now we find the variance via x. We use variance x equal to Ex square minus Ex whole square. First find Ex square. Ex square equal to 0 to 2 x square. You know the given value of x is given in your questions 0 to 2 x square f of x dx. Now 0 to 2 given value of x in the questions x square f of x. What is f of x? You know the value of k and x square. The value of k is 3 upon 8 and x square we write here. Now you can see here x square and x square. Both x square power will be 8. It means 2 plus 2, 4. Because same variable is given, and constant number 3 upon 8, we get 3 upon 8, then integration 0 to 2 x power 4 dx. Now we integrate with respect to x. So now if we find the value of integrate with respect to x, then x power will be 8, means x power 4 means plus 1, x power 5 divided by 5, and here is given 0 to 2. We write same 0 to 2. After the integration we put upper limit and lower limit. If we put upper limit, then x equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 5 times we get 32, and divide by 5. You can see here this dot show in multiplications. In simplifications multiply and divide. After the simplification, you get 2.4. It's depend on you. You can divide any numbers for simplifications. Now compute variance. Variance x equal to e x square minus e x whole square. You already know ex square we have get 2.4. Now minus sign is given and ex. What is the value of ex? 1.5 we put in values and whole square is given. Then whole square we get 2.25. Then subtract these values we get 0.15. Final answer. Value of k equal to 3 upon 8, ex equal to 1.5, which we have find in second point. Variance equal to 0.15. Okay, thank you.